be the database name. The syntax will be that, and click on execute. The database is created. So the already database is created, so it won't be create the duplication of database. Okay, so it won't be possible to create the duplication of database. So I'm creating now company. Okay, TB1 I will take. Okay, so select this all the thing and click on execute. Here the company also is there, so click on new query. So click on execute. The database is created successfully. So I need to use this database. So for that you can use the command will be the use and the database name. Okay, the database name what I have taken here, the company DB, right? So control here you can take the company DB too. So use this database as well and click on execute. Okay, it is created successfully. So here the create table name I'm taking here, that will be the department. Okay, departments I'm taking, and here I need to take the column, so that will be the department ID. Okay, department ID. So here I'm using int. The int means what? Here the data type. So the specific data type I'm taking here. Why I'm taking int here means the int will be the integer value will be accepted here. Okay. So here I'm taking that will be the primary key. The primary key means what? That will be the constraint, and constraint we will take as a primary key here. Why I'm taking the primary key means the primary key will accepted only the unique values. Okay, it won't be accepted the duplications as well. Okay, in the table. Okay, so here I'm taking another column name, that will be the department name. Department name I'm taking here. So here that will be the varchar. So specific data type I'm specifying here. So the data type name will be here, the name will be here I'm taking. So the size here that will be the 50. So varchar 50 I'm taking. I'm ending with the semicolon. The table only I'm taking the 2 columns as well. Okay, so I have created the table successfully here. So click on execute. The table will be created, and after that I'm taking another table. Why? Because I need to use the foreign key here. So that's why I'm taking the 2 tables. What is the foreign key? Foreign key will be the lookup columns type. Here the 2 table has to be match at least 1 column as well. So that's why I'm using here create. Okay, table. The syntax will be employees. Okay, employees here, and after that employee ID I'm taking. So here what is the same thing? So department ID and employee ID will be the same here, right? So here int primary key I'm taking. Primary key, this is the table 2 what I'm taking here, and name varchar, here the 20, or else can I take 100? It is better, right? So 100. Okay, so after that I'm taking age will be the, what is the data type? This will be int. Okay, so salary I'm taking as the decimal type. Okay, so decimal type 10 comma 2, and after that department ID. So here I have taken the same columns here and there, that will be the department ID. Okay, so department ID. Okay, so here the department ID. What is the department ID? Here the department ID will be the int. So foreign key. Here I'm specifying the same column name. So I want to do the department ID. So the same columns what we have here, the table 1 and department ID, and table 2 also the department ID. The same thing I'm specifying. So here I need to take a reference ID type. The second table, for first table I'm calling that will be taking department references department, here the department ID. Okay, so department and department ID will be the same. Okay, so I need to, sorry, here also department ID, departments. Okay, okay, departments, and I have taken as reference department IDs. So select this one and click on execute. The second table also created successfully. We need to see the table. Select star from the table 1 name is what? The table 1 name is departments I have taken. Okay. Next, select star from what is the second table name? That will be the employees. Okay. So we will execute this 2 tables at a time. And here the department, here what is the common column name here? The department ID and department ID, the common name, common column name. Okay, why I have taken like that means that will be the reference as a foreign key. Okay, so here I need to insert the data into the departments table. So table 1 I need to insert first. So here I need to take insert, that query will be the insert into what is the first table name, that will be the departments. Okay, so specify here the department names, and here I need to take department ID and department name. Okay, so here values, and after that you need to take 1 comma, what is that thing? That is HR. Okay, next 2 ID, and after that we need to take the finance. I'm specifying this all. After that we need to take 3 and IT. Okay, next next table we need to insert the data, that will be the insert into employees. Okay, insert into employees. Here employee ID, name, age, salary, department ID. Okay, values, here 1 comma, I'm taking name Disha, and next age 22, and salary I need to mention right here 1000, and again I want to take the ID. So 1. Why I have taken this? It is will be the foreign key. Okay. So here after that we need to take again 2 and age 21, 1000. So next sorry, here age will be the 50. Okay. Here age, sorry, ID the data. So 2 tables of the data is inserted successfully, and after that we need to perform here where already we have seen where and or and not. Okay, we will execute using this all things. Okay, and here I need to create select star from employees. From I'm taking the employees table. Okay, employees each greater than I need to take 21. Okay, 21 and 21 and here salary greater than 40,000. Okay, we'll it's not taking my select a star from employees. I need to mention the clause, right? Where? Okay, we'll see. So here what we have 50,000. So here it is mentioned the filtration of data like this. So using and condition here. Okay. So here I will use now or condition. Select star from what is or either maybe, right? So here employees data where is department ID I will take. Department ID equal to 1 or department ID equal to 2. Okay. Yes. Okay. Or so what is based on ID? I have filtered the data here. Okay, based on ID. After that, you need to take the select star from employees and select the star from employees where not age less than 30. Okay, we didn't mention any 30 here. So we will take 22 is bigger in our table, right? 22 we will take. So here it is mentioned like that. So what is ordered by? Already we have seen have the two process ordered by. That will be the ascending and descending. Okay. So here order by. So I'm mentioning comment here. Select star from employees order by salary. So I'm taking here descending order, that will be disk here. Execute. It is mentioned like a order by. Okay. After that, null values. I need to mention null values. Insert. I'm inserting the data already in the existing table, right? Insert into what I'm taking. Employees. Here I need to mention employee ID, name, age, salary, department department ID, values. I need to fetch the values here, right? So here the alternate name I'm taking the 4. Here I will take Madhu, and here I'm mentioning only the null values here. Null null I'm taking. Okay, null. The based on foreign key I'm taking. Okay, so I need to take now. So I need to execute this query. So it is added. Okay, null value. We will see this table as well. So null value is added. Each null and salary also null I have taken here. Okay. So here only the null values we need to take. For that, select star from employees where salary is null. Okay. So only the null values is printed here. So I need to update the value here. So we need to update the value. Update. It is. I'll take this as well. Here employees actual table is this, right? Click on execute. The actual table will like this, and here I need to take update employees set salary, okay, equal to here the 55,000 is there, right? And 45,000 is there. So I need to take this will be a 60,000 here. Where name, okay, where name Parisha. Okay, based on name I'm taking this one. So here what we have, only the 45,000 is there. It wants to be updated into a 60,000. Okay, I'm updating the value here. So select this all query and click on this. So we will see it is updated or not. So it is updated into a 60,000, right? So after that I need to take one aggregate function. I will take here select department, select department IDs, average. Here what I am take, salary I need to mention here. Okay, salary as average salary, average salary from employees group by I'm doing here. Okay, group by what? Group by means clause, right? Group by department, by department ID. Select it, click on execute. So it is group by, it is done with a group by, right? Only based on department ID, right? So between, what is between? What is between, ma? Between both the values, right? Select, select here star from employees where where salary between where salary between mm, we will see once didn't. So here 50,000. So here 50,000 and 60,000. Okay, between both the values, where I need to take from employees. Okay, from employees. Okay, what happened here? Uh, from employees, right? So I think we don't want this actually. Already we have taken, right? So between the values, it wants to be print. Okay. So select this query and click on execute. So all the all the values is printed here between the values. So only we don't have the chunk of data here. So that's why it is showing all the data. What we have mentioned, that thing. Okay. Elias. So here select name. Alias means what? The temporary name it is the temporary name it is there. Okay, employee name. I'm taking here employee name, salary as employee salary from employees. Okay, so temporary name I'm taking here. So here the employee name as a employee salary. Okay, the temporary name I'm setting here. Okay, so here I need to take the some basic example on inner join. Already you know what is joins, right? What is joins? Madhuri, please tell me what is join.
Yeah, Jeshri.
Yeah, what is join?
So joints means we can by using joints we can attach two tables, Jeshri.
Mm,
So we have five types of joints: inner join, outer join, left join, right join,
mm,
and Cartesian join,
yeah.
self join,
Partition joins means as well.
cross join.
So here uh, join we will see first the basic thing. Already we have the two tables, right? So here select I'm setting the temporary name I'm taking as a e name. Okay, and D that will be the department name. Okay, D means what we have taken from the table name will be a I'm assigning the table name here the temporary name as a E and here department as a D. Okay, I'm not mentioning that much of big names here. Why? It is very clumsy. Department name. Okay, from employees E. Here join department D on E department ID equal to D dot department ID. Okay. So we will see. So here the name and department name is mentioned. So actually we have taken this both the tables different columns, right? So this is in a different table and this is in a different table, but we have performed the both the tables at a time. So it is performed in a one table, right?